Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. If you clicked on this video, then chances are you're looking for a way to make money. You know, maybe you're on lockdown right now with what's going on in the world. You can't go to your job. Maybe you just want to learn a realistic and simple way to start to make income from the internet in 30 to 60 minutes a day, right? Without spending a lot of effort. If that's you, what I'm gonna break down is exactly how anyone, no matter your background, no matter your previous experience, no matter your technical ability, can still do this and start to create results as soon as this week. Now, on the screen right now, you can see that I have an email that came in recently notifying me of another $500 that I was able to generate just using the method that I'm about to share with you. Now, this came in on total autopilot, which is the beauty of this. You're not gonna have to get on the phone. You're not gonna have to talk to people. You can literally have this coming into the money on autopilot, okay? Now, I'm only sharing this to impress upon you what's actually possible. And just one more, someone else, because sometimes people wonder, you know, just because I have a decently sized YouTube channel, is that why I'm making money? But this guy right here, he said, hey brother, just want to say thanks again. In a little over 4 days, I've already made over $600 with the team. Okay, so this guy was brand new. He saw one of my videos. He went down below at the link underneath the video. He got started, and just applying the simple blueprint I'm gonna share with you in a second, he was able to already make $600, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now is go to a whiteboard online and break down these 3 incredibly simple steps, so by the end of this short video, you can feel excited as you take action and apply what I'm gonna share. Okay, so the very first step to make money with this opportunity is we need to post ads on social media, okay? Now, what are ads and why do we need to post them on social media? Well, what we're doing with this opportunity, and believe me, I've tried drop shipping, I've tried Forex trading, I've tried all these different ways to make money online, and I truly believe this is the easiest out of all those for a newbie, for someone that just wants some extra money fast and easy to apply, because it's things you're already doing. You're already posting on your social media. You probably post on Facebook, maybe Twitter, Instagram. Some people have a Snapchat. Some people, use Craigslist. But what we want to do is we want to post ads on social media. Now, an ad is just an advertisement that's going to get people interested in what we're promoting. And what are we promoting? The products inside of this opportunity that we're going to actually be promoting and making money when we refer people are digital marketing training. So the very thing that we're promoting is going to teach other people, as well as yourself when you go through it, how to start making money online. Okay, now, if you're wondering, I don't know how to post ads, not to worry. At the link below, when you check that out, you're going to be able to learn how to access done-for-you ads. When you join through me, you're going to get access to posts and ads that you can just make on your Facebook, on your Instagram, to start getting interested people responding. Now, step 2, okay, and I want to keep this very simple because it really is this easy. Step 2 is once people start responding, we want to send those people your website. A lot of people think they have to be good at sales, or they have to talk to people all day, or they have to have long conversations to make money online. And the fact of the matter is that isn't true. See, with this opportunity, and many are completely different and don't have these resources, which is another reason I love, this opportunity. It gives you a done-for-you website, okay? So you get the ads that you can start posting on your social media. It gives you a done-for-you website that's gonna do all the selling, all the telling for you, so you don't have to explain it yourself. You're just gonna send the people that either message you, okay? When you post on Facebook that ad, they may message you and say, can I get more information? Or they're gonna reply to your post. They're gonna comment and say, hey, I'm interested, I need more info. All you do at that point is you just private message those people the link to your website. And again, this website's gonna be created for you. So if you're not technical, not to worry. And then the third step is once people go to that website, a portion are going to decide to buy. A portion are going to see the opportunity in front of them, feel that strong desire, picture the results that they're going to start getting, and decide to join, decide to get started. And once they do, the beautiful thing about this opportunity is it pays you 100% of the money instantly paid into your bank account. Okay, so you don't have to wait a week, a month to get the money. When you make a sale, when you make a commission by referring someone on your website, you will get instantly paid up to 100%. Okay, and the beautiful thing is that this business pays you anywhere from about $25 to $2,000. So just imagine being able to generate, let's say, $1,000 in a single day. What would that do? You know, how would you feel? How would you feel knowing you could pay off some bills, you could buy some things you wanted, you could feel relief in these times of difficulty, right? And that's why I'm so motivated to share with you these 3 simple steps. Now, I want to share with you again, there's going to be a button or a link underneath this video. When you go to that button or link, you can find out more information, okay? Go through my website, look over the testimonials, see for yourself that we have people, brand new people from all over the world. This is a worldwide opportunity, getting started and really changing their entire life, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. And before I go, I just want to share that, you know, this is my Facebook right here. I'm followed by over 8,000 people. I'm a real person, okay? I'm constantly posting inspiration. Feel free to add me on Facebook, connect with me. If you have any questions about this business, reach out, because I really want to help you, you know, get the results you want. You know, I've been doing this for a very long time. I have all these positive people that I'm, you know, blessed to inspire, I'm blessed to help and things like that. And, you know, I just really want to share with you what's possible, okay? So again, I really appreciate watching this. Go down below if you're interested. Again, it doesn't hurt to take a look, and I think you're gonna be blown away by how simple and easy this actually is. Take action, and I will see you on the next page.